Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokocan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now. 5. Thinking about future activities. There are some people who just can't make up their minds by themselves. They frequently ask the advice of their friends and then do the opposite of what their friends have suggested. My brother Tom is such a person. He can never decide what to do, and is always asking my opinion. I try to help him as well as I can, but he never takes my advice. Yesterday I answered his question in a different way. Look, he said, showing me a letter. What do you think I ought to do? The letter was an offer of a job. It seemed to be an excellent opportunity for a young engineer. Tom would be sent to Africa to work. The job would pay very well, and he would be able to travel and visit many interesting places. What do you think, Bill? He asked. Should I go? If I were to accept the job, I'd have to stay in Africa for 2 years. I might have to stay longer, but it would be a wonderful experience for me. What should I do? Don't go, I told him. You'd be very unhappy. Don't go. He looked very surprised at my answer. As you've probably guessed, Tom accepted the offer. I don't know if it has occurred to him that I actually wanted him to take the job. Questions. 1. What do some people do when they can't make up their minds? 2. What was in the letter that Tom showed to Bill? 3. Where would Tom be sent? 4. What did Bill advise Tom to do? 5. Why did Bill tell Tom not to take the job? 6. Do you think Bill did the right thing? Now, please retell the story again in your own words. That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.